Good morning, dear students. Let us start question number 2 of exercise 13.2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. We have to simplify it and then we have to express it in the exponential form. So, and in the earlier question, that is in the question number 1, we have studied about the laws of exponent and we have used the laws in the question number 1. So, the same laws of exponent we will use it in the question number 2 also. So, we have to simplify. Let us start with the first one. First question is 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. So, to solve it, first of all, we have to simplify it. So, what we will do, first of all, if you see the bigger number, that is, you can break it into the small numbers. Like 4, 2 raised to the power 3, we will write as it is. 3 into power 4, we will write as it is. And here 4 is written. So, for the 4, we can write it as 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Means we can write it as 2 square. We have broken down this 4 into the 2 square. In the same way, any number, if we see any bigger number, you can break it into the smaller number by finding the LCM. Now the 3 as it is, and here we can see 32. Now we will find the LCM for the 32. LCM of 32, 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 1 2 3 4 5. We got 5 times 2, so we can write it as 2 raised to the power 5. Yeah. Now it will be easy to solve. Now we will use the laws of exponent. First of all, 2 raised to the power 3 is given. Can you see the similar number? Yes, here 2 is written, 2 raised to the power 2. So, we can write here 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 4. What we did? We have arranged the numbers. Now, 3 into 2 raised to the power 5 as it is. Now, in the next step, 2 and 2 both are, base are same, 2 and 2. So, we will take one common and the powers will be added, because in between multiply sign is given. So, whenever multiply sign will be given, the powers will be added. And 3 raised to the power 4 as it is upon 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to the power 5. Now, I am solving this side. Now, 2 raised to the 2, 3 plus 2 will be 5. 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 4. Upon 3 into 2 raised to the power 5. Now what we will do? Upon means divide. We have to divide these numbers with this one. So how we can write is? We can write it? These two are common number. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 5 upon 2 raised to the power 5 into and 3 raised to the power 4 upon 3. We have written the similar number one side, 2 raised to the power 5 upon 2 raised to the power 5 and 3 raised to the power 4 upon 3. It means division. Division means we can write it as, or we can cancel it here. 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power 5 cancel. What's remaining? 3 raised to the power 4 upon 3. अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? Power is not given. It means 1. 3 raised to the power 4 upon 3 raised to the power 1, or we can write it as 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 1 upon his division. Base are same. Take the base common and the powers will be subtracted. 4 minus 1. Now 3, 4 minus 1 will be 3. 3 raised to the power 3. This is the answer for the first one. This was the answer for the first one. Now for the second one, I am rubbing the first one and moving to the second one. Now see the second one. In the second one, first we will solve the smaller bracket, then the big bracket. In the small bracket, 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 4 bracket close divided by 5 raised to the power 7. First of all, we will solve the small bracket. So bigger bracket put as it is 5. And this powers will be multiplied 2 into 3. Clear? Into 5 raised to the power 4 bracket close divided by 5 raised to the power 7. 5 raised to the power 4 bracket close divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Now 5 2 3s are 6 into 5 raised to the power 4 bracket close divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Now these ways are same, take it common, and in between multiply sign is given, means power will be added. 6 plus 4 bracket close divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Now 6 plus 4 will be 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Again we got the base same, so take it common. 5 and division sign is given in between, so the powers will be subtracted. 10 minus 7. So 5, 10 minus 7 will be 3. 5 raised to power 3. So this is the answer for the second one. Third one is 25 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. So here 25 we can break it as 5 into 5. We can write it as 5 into 5 bracket close, and this power 4 as it is divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now this 5 into 5 we can write it as 5 square. This 5 into 5 we can write it like this, 5 square bracket close, and this power 4 as it is divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now we got something like this, 5. Now the two powers are there. These two powers will be multiplied. According to the laws of exponent, these two powers will be multiplied. We got this law, a raised to power n into whole raised to the power n, means a m into n. So this law we have to use here, means 2 into 4, this one, okay, divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now 4 2s are 8 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. 5 common, take 5 common, and in between divide sign is given, means the power will be subtracted. 8 minus 3. Now 8 minus 3 will be 5. 5 raised to the power 5. So this is the answer for the third one. Now see the fourth one. 3 into 7 raised to the power 2 into 11 raised to the power 8 upon 21 into 11 raised to the power 3. In the first step, what we have to do, if you can see any bigger number, you can break it down. Can you break 7? No, we cannot break 7, because if we find the LCM of 7, it will be 7 ones are 7. Into, can you break 11? 11 को break कर सकते हैं क्या? Let us find the LCM of 11. It also comes in the table of 11 only. 11, so we cannot break it. Upon 21. 21, can we break 21? Yes, of course. 3 sevens are 21 and 7 ones are 7. 3 into 7. 3 into 7 into 11 raised to the power 3. Now we will solve it. In the numerator, can you see any similar number? Can you see one more 3 written here? No. Can you see one more 7? No. Can you see 11 2 times? No. In the same way, in the denominator, can you see 3 2 times? No. 7 2 times? No. 11 2 times? No. So there is no common number. So let us divide it. 3 upon, we can write it as 3 upon 3, this 3 and this 3, into 7 raised to the power 2 upon 7, this 7 and this 7, into 11 raised to the power 8 upon 11 raised to the power 3, this 11 and this 11. Now all the now we can see upon means division. We have to divide these numbers, and here power is not given, or we can cancel this and this. 3 and 3 cancel. Both the 3's are not having any power, so both are same. It can be cancelled, or 3 minus 3 0. In the second one, 7, we can take it as common, and here no power is given, means 1. So we can write it as 2 minus 1. Why minus? Because upon means division, and whenever division is given, the powers are subtracted. In the same way, 11, 8 minus 3, the powers will be subtracted. 7, 2 minus 1 will be 1, and 8 minus 3 will be 5. 7 raised to the power 1 into 11 raised to the power 5. Or we can write it as 7 into 11 raised to the power 5, because whenever the power is not given, it means only 1. So we can answer is 7 into 11 raised to the power 5. So here we complete the fourth one. And I hope so that you have understood the first, second, third and fourth part. In the next video, I will solve the remaining parts of question number 2. So till then, take care. Bye.